y'all, and welcome back to Soulsome Foodie. Today I decided to do something a little different. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you my haul from Imperfect Foods. So here is the box that it came in. This is my very first time ordering from this company. I really do enjoy and appreciate what the company stands for. And so here's the box that it comes in. And up top there are just a few really neat statistics as to why a company like this is actually really helpful and useful. And I'll go ahead and add a few more pieces of information about this company in the description box below, including a link for you to save $10 off of your first box. So here I am opening up the box. I think things may have gotten a little bit shaken up in transit, but that's okay. I will show you exactly how it looked when I opened the box, and here it is. I did order the organic box. So every item that I have here is organic, and you can definitely order the conventional box if you like. And one thing I like about the company also is that you really can customize everything that you get. You can choose exactly what you want to have. They will create a box for you based on your preferences, but you can always choose to take away certain items, add more of certain items, and you can literally customize exactly what's in your box. So I really do appreciate that. Here I am just showing a few of the ingredients. So far you've seen mushrooms, you've seen lettuce. Here is some purple kale. And I'm gonna go ahead and just literally pick the items out so you can see what kind of shape everything is in. You can see everything looks really good. So far so good. I'll just continue to show you items as I pick them out. Here I am opening up the cold pack, and so they did separate the regular produce from the foods that need to be more chilled. They put this in this insulated pack that you see here, and here's some avocado oil. I was really happy to find that on the site. That is going to come in handy. But I do also like the way that they kept the refrigerated items separated in this cooler pack. I thought I would just mention that too. Here I am just pointing out one of the labels on the apple. You can see it starts with a 9, and that just goes to show that these are actually organic, high quality items. Here is some pasta, so you can see they have some pantry items as well as the produce and the meats. And another thing I appreciate about this site is that you have a chance to explore ingredients maybe you've never tried before. So these are some shosito peppers that I've never had, and I have some plans to make some salad with them, and I said, you know what, why not? Alright, now let's get into this cold pack. You will see that there is an ice pack on the bottom to make sure that these insulated items stay cold. Love that. I did order a few meat products, so some organic andouille sausage. I think I ordered some chicken thighs, some scallops, and you'll just see everything that I pull out of the cold pack. Here I'm just showing some great ingredients. There's no sugar added to that sausage, all natural. Really appreciate the quality of ingredients. So you saw I did get the sausage, the chicken thighs, the chicken breast, the scallops, and here I am just picking out the last few items in the cold pack. I got some organic zucchini and they're not in the best shape, so I did report that back to the company and they gave me a refund for those items, no questions asked. Very excellent customer service. Just wanted to make sure I showed y'all that too. I've got some avocados here and just pulling out whatever's left. All right, so that's it for this Imperfect Foods review and haul. Overall, I'm really pleased with the items that came. Everything came in great shape. It's all organic. And the one issue I had, they resolved for me super, super quickly. So again, if you would like to save $10 on your first Imperfect Food box, please click on the link in the description box below. I think you will be pleased with the items that you'll be able to choose. Comes right to your door, super convenient. And here is a look, an overview of everything I was able to get. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.